How much should you spend on metal glue? Because cheap ones fail fast, but expensive ones don't always last either. The real question isn't price, it's whether it actually holds under real pressure. Today I'm breaking down 5 glues that do more than just look good on the shelf. Product number 1, Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. First up, the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. This one caught my eye because it's thick, clear, and claims to handle metal without running everywhere, something most liquid super glues struggle with. It's mid-range in price and over 10,000 people bought it last month, so clearly someone trusts it. If you want a no-run gel that sets fast and works on metal without clamping, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The gel formula stays put on vertical surfaces, so if you're fixing a loose metal bracket or patching a cracked tool handle, it won't drip down before it dries. It bonds in 10-45 seconds, uses cyanoacrylate, that's fancy for super strong instant glue, and works on metal, wood, ceramic, even rubber. The anti-clog cap is a small detail, but honestly, nothing's worse than a dried-up glue bottle when you need it most. Now, some people complained about brittleness under heavy impact. Here's the thing though, this isn't structural epoxy. It's for quick fixes, not load-bearing repairs. If you're gluing a car frame, no. But for household metal items like hinges, small appliances, or decorative pieces, totally solid. This is perfect for you if you need fast, clean repairs on metal surfaces around the house and hate waiting for clamps. Skip this one if you're doing high-stress or outdoor metalwork that faces constant vibration or weather. For everyday metal fixes, it's a great value. Product number 2, Kraftprotz Liquid Super Glue XXL. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be better for tight joints and precision work. The Kraftprotz Liquid Super Glue XXL. At $12.18, it's affordable, but what stands out is the 1.75 Oz size, way more than most tiny tubes, and the precision tip that actually helps you control the flow. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The thin liquid flows into tiny gaps, which is exactly what you need when bonding metal parts that fit tightly together, like fixing a broken eyeglass hinge or reattaching a metal label plate. It sets in seconds, is waterproof and heat-resistant, and dries completely clear, so you don't see residue on visible surfaces. The anti-drying tip means it won't clog after one use, which is huge for long-term usability. Now, some people said it's too runny for vertical surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with application, a little goes a long way. It's actually an advantage for deep penetration. But if you're working overhead or on walls, this could get messy fast. This is perfect for you if you do detailed metal repairs, crafts, or electronics and need a precise, long-lasting liquid glue. Skip this one if you're gluing large, flat metal panels or working on vertical surfaces without support. For fine control and volume, it's a steal. Product number 3, Kraftprotz Gel Super Glue XXL. Now, if the liquid version was too runny for your needs, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Kraftprotz Gel Super Glue XXL. Same brand, same price, but gel form. It's thicker, stays where you put it, and still packs that industrial strength bond. 4,000 plus bought it, so it's clearly filling a real gap. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The no-drip gel is perfect for metal repairs on walls, ceilings, or tools you can't clamp. Think fixing a loose metal shelf bracket or sealing a small crack in a metal box. It cures fast, handles heat and moisture, and the 1.75 Oz tube gives you way more glue than standard sizes. The twist-lock cap prevents drying, so it's ready whenever you need it. Now, some users mentioned it can get stringy if over-applied. Here's the thing though, that's just user error. A tiny bead is all you need. Once it sets, it holds like a champ, even under vibration. This is perfect for you if you need a strong, no-mess gel for metal repairs in awkward angles or outdoor conditions. Skip this one if you're working with porous metals or need deep gap filling. It's not an epoxy. For clean, strong metal bonds without the drip, it's a top pick. Product number 4, Loctite Super Glue Professional. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for professionals or frequent users, the Loctite Super Glue Professional. At $18.43 for a 2-pack, it's pricier, but Loctite's reputation for reliability is real. Over 3,000 bought it, and it's trusted in workshops for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extra-long pinpoint nozzle gives you surgical precision, perfect for tiny metal parts like watch components, electronics, or model kits. It sets in 15-30 seconds, works on metal, ceramic, and leather, and the quick open cap prevents spills. This isn't just glue, it's a tool for detail work. Now, some people complained about the cap being hard to open after a few uses. A quick wipe keeps it smooth, and the bond strength more than makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you need professional-grade precision on small metal repairs and don't mind paying a bit more for control and consistency. Skip this one if you're doing large-scale or heavy-duty metal bonding. For accuracy and brand trust, it's worth the investment. Product number 5, VicMei Metal Epoxy Adhesive. Now, if the previous glues were fast but not built for extreme stress, this next one is in a league of its own, the VicMei Metal Epoxy Adhesive. At $12.82, it's not super glue. It's a 2-part epoxy designed specifically for metal. Over 2,000 bought it, and it's made for real structural fixes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't just surface-level bonding. It cures to steel-like strength in 24 hours, handles temperatures from -65 degrees F to 548 degrees F, and resists oil, fuel, and water. That means it's ideal for automotive parts, plumbing leaks, or outdoor metal repairs. The one syringe makes mixing foolproof, and it won't drip on vertical surfaces. Now, some users said the 5-minute work time is tight. Here's the thing though, if you plan your repair, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you need a permanent, heavy-duty metal bond that can handle heat, pressure, and weather. Skip this one if you need something that sets in seconds. For serious metal repairs, this is the real deal. So which one wins? For quick, clean metal fixes, the Gorilla Gel or Kraftprotz gel are hard to beat. Need precision? Loctite's nozzle is unbeatable. For heavy-duty jobs, that VicMei Epoxy is in a class of its own. And if you want volume and control, the Kraftprotz liquid does a lot for the price. There's no one-size-fits-all. Pick based on your real needs, not the label.